Today we're going to be taking a look at the Practical Tarot Wisdom with the Radiant Rider-Waite Tarot deck. So this little deck, look at the back here, it says Practical Tarot Wisdom. Miniature versions of the 78 Radiant Rider-Waite cards are paired with simple, down-to-earth tarot guidance. Expert advice is printed right on the card, so there's no need to look up tarot meanings in a booklet. This handy pocket-sized deck is perfect for beginners, advanced readers, and everyone in between. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it here. Now, full disclosure, this is the second time trying to actually film. I had to stop partway through because it was messed up, so I already took the plastic wrap off. All right, so looking at the backs here first, it's just a solid blue background with some stars on it. Cardstock is a decent thickness, not super shiny, so I like that. So here we get, it says the Practical Tarot Wisdom. Text is by Arwen Lynch, and it's published by US Game Systems, Inc. And then, let's see, next card. It tells you how to do a 3-card past, present, and future spread. And then it goes in right into the cards themselves. So I will do a little flip through here and hold the cards up so you can see each one. We have the Fool, the Magician, the High Priestess, the Empress, the Emperor, the Hierophant, the Lovers, the Chariot, Strength, Hermit, Wheel of Fortune, Justice, the Hanged Man, Death, Temperance, the Devil, the Tower, the Star, the Moon, the Sun, Judgment, the World, the Ace of Swords, 2 of Swords, 3 of Swords, 4 of Swords, So let's go ahead and give this deck a little bit of a shuffle. The cards are nice and small, so it's really no problem at all for shuffling. So my thoughts on this deck. Well, as far as the imagery goes, you know, it's just the usual Rider-Waite, so nothing new or different there. I do think that a deck would be good for a newbie who is still trying to learn the cards, because the meaning is right here. You don't have to switch back and forth between a book. Do I think the deck is good for a more experienced tarot reader? Yeah, probably not. I think they probably would just kind of be distracting, to be honest with you. But I plan to try it out in my practice a little bit and see how it goes. I would love to hear your thoughts on this deck, so if you could leave a comment for me down below. Also, make sure to like the video and to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know anytime I upload a new video. I really enjoyed unboxing this deck with you and hope to see you again soon. Stay witchy, my friends. Bye-bye.